Good morning students, how are you? Hope you all are doing well at home. Okay, see today we will do the next exercise. Already from lesson 2 we have completed questions and answers. Today we will do this, choose the correct option, okay? That is from page number 32. You can take out your textbook. Hope so you might have received your notebook. Now you can write lesson 1, what all exercise has been finished, question answer, and from lesson 2 also, please write down your question answer along with this exercise. So, let's start. Circle the appropriate option in bracket. Which is the correct one, you have to circle. Ravi used disk clean up my computer to free up space on his computer in order to download his favorite game. Ravi want to download game, okay, but there is no space. So he want to do what so that he can get the space. Disk clean up or my computer? The correct answer is disk clean up, okay. So you can circle or underline. If you want to get space on your computer, so what you have to do? You have to go to my computer, then right click, then the disk cleanup will be there. If you clean up, then all the unwanted files will be deleted and you will get lot of space. Come to the second one. The menu bar control panel can help change the desktop picture of a computer. If you want to change the desktop picture of your computer, what you will do? Where you have to go? That is control panel. Okay, you can do your desktop setting, wallpaper you can change. So the answer is what? Control panel. So just circle it. Come to the third option. The start button taskbar can help find files on the computer. If you want to find your files and folders from your computer, how you will get? Where you have to go? Which option? Yes, it is in start. Okay, you have to go to what? Start button. Once you click on start button, there you will get you have to type, one blank space will be there. So in the search box, you have to type which file and folder you are looking for. So once you type, then the file and folder will display on your computer. So where you have to go? You have to go to start button to find your files from your computer. Come to the next one. Without Ellipse operating system, a computer cannot function. Already I told, a computer cannot work, cannot function without what? Without operating system. OS is known as your operating system. Operating system helps the computer to work and it will, without operating system, a computer cannot function. Come to the last one. We use the pointer option wheel tab to increase or decrease the number of lines that the mouse will scroll in one notch. When you want to increase and decrease the wheel of mouse, okay, so where you have to go? Yes, in the mouse properties, you have to go where? In wheel tab, okay. See, in mouse properties, even we have option for pointer option. Pointer option is used to the appearance. You can change the appearance of your mouse pointer. Whereas, if you go to wheel tab, you can increase and decrease the wheel. You know, in the mouse you have a wheel in the center. So if you want the speed, suppose sometimes if you will be scrolling down again and again, it will be taking lot of time to come to the down of the document or go top to the document in your Word. So in that case, you can able to increase the speed. Once in one note if you do, you can get it will come to the down of your documents and it will be easy for you. So in which option you have to go? Wheel tab. And pointer option is you can change the appearance of your mouse pointer. Hope student. So if you want to clean your computer, you have to go to disk cleaner. Where it is? In my computer, you have to do right click and you have to select on disk cleanup. And disk cleanup is used to clean the space. Okay, it will help you to give space on your computer. Menu bar and control panel. If you want to do any desktop wallpaper changing or any customizing the desktop, you have to go to where? Yes, control panel. Start button and taskbar. If you want to find the files and folders, you have to click on start button. Without operating system, the computer cannot function. Ellipse is in MS Paint. Okay, the structure of ellipse you will learn. But OS is not operating system. Without operating system, the computer cannot work. The last but not the least, where you will go to increase and decrease the number of lines that the mouse wheel will scroll in one month, that is wheel tab. You have to click on where? Wheel tab. Can you see all the answers? Is it visible to you? Okay, please write down all this one in your classwork notebook. Thank you students for listening to my online class. You all take care and be safe at home.